What is cell? A cell is the smallest living unit of life that makes up all plants and animals. It works like a tiny room where all the important life activities happen. Just as bricks join together to build a house, millions of cells join together to make your body. Each cell has its own parts that help it stay alive, grow, and do its job, like providing energy, repairing damage, and keeping you healthy. Cell structure. A cell has three main parts. Cell membrane, a thin outer layer that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like fluid inside the cell where all organelles float and chemical reactions happen. Nucleus, the control center that contains DNA and directs all cell activities. Inside the cytoplasm are organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, and others, each doing a special job to keep the cell alive and working properly. A cell does all the work that keeps you alive. It takes food and water, makes energy, and throws out waste. It helps you grow, heals cuts, and makes new cells when old ones die. Cells also talk to each other so your body can work together like a team. Mitochondria makes energy, ATP, for the cell. Ribosomes produce proteins. Golgi apparatus packages and sends proteins and other materials. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubes in the cell that transports material. Rough has ribosomes, makes and moves proteins. Smooth no ribosomes, makes fats and removes toxins. Vacuoles store food, water, and waste. Lysosomes break down waste and old cell parts. Centrioles help in cell division. Cytoskeleton supports the cell and helps maintain its shape. Concentrations. Water, approximately 70%. Proteins, approximately 15 to 20%. Lipids, fats, approximately 2 to 5%. Salts or minerals, approximately 1%. Other molecules, sugars, RNA, etc., approximately 5 to 10%. Thank you for watching. Any question?